Gravity holds everything on Earth. It keeps oceans, air, and people on the ground. But what if it suddenly stopped?
What if we stopped guessing and let physics decide? This is Vector Lab.
Not forever, just 3 seconds. Then gravity turns back on. The moment gravity disappears, everything becomes weightless, just like astronauts in space. But gravity doesn't only hold people, it holds the atmosphere, and the atmosphere suddenly starts drifting away. The oceans are also held down by gravity. Without it, water begins lifting into the air.
Anything not attached starts drifting upward. Cars, people, even loose rocks.
Here's the important detail. Earth doesn't stop spinning, and that creates a new problem. At the equator, the surface of Earth moves about 1,670 kilometers per hour. When gravity disappears, you keep moving sideways with the spinning Earth. But the air also keeps moving with Earth, and that's when things get dangerous. Gravity stopped, but Earth's rotation didn't, and everything is still moving sideways. At the equator, the ground moves around Earth at about 1,670 kilometers per hour.
When gravity disappears, you are no longer attached to the spinning planet. From your perspective, the ground suddenly begins sliding sideways.
The air still carries Earth's rotation, and now nothing holds it down, turning the atmosphere unstable. The moving atmosphere creates enormous winds, some approaching supersonic speeds. Oceans aren't anchored anymore. Water begins drifting upward and sideways across the planet. Loose objects become projectiles, cars, trees, all moving hundreds of kilometers per hour. And then, after 3 seconds, gravity suddenly returns. Everything that lifted falls back toward Earth, all at the same time. After 3 seconds, gravity pulls everything back, and the planet slowly stabilizes. Gravity is invisible, but it holds the atmosphere, the oceans, and every living thing. Without gravity, the air would escape, the oceans would drift into space. Gravity keeps Earth stable, it keeps our planet habitable, and it keeps us safely on the ground.
So maybe let's leave gravity turned on. See you next episode on Vector Lab.